Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today's repair is a 2020 Accord 1.5 liter turbo. We're going to be replacing the spark plugs. Nothing fancy about it. 4 coils, 4 spark plugs, 4 bolts, and out we go. Let's get to it. You got your 4 coils, 4 10mm bolts, and your connectors. And then your spark plugs are underneath that. So we'll go ahead and remove the coils. Remove our 4 10mm bolts. Okay, our spark plugs are 14mm. Bing. Bing. Okay, we've got our new spark plugs. We'll put those back in. Since I don't have a magnetic socket, regular piece of hose works well. Well, that wraps up the Accord. Replacing spark plugs, nothing fancy. It's a pretty quick job. Takes about 15-20 minutes to do it. Spark plugs themselves run about $40 a piece from Honda. So you can probably source in GKs a little bit differently. I didn't find anything really close to it. They had some $8 auto lights. If you want to take a chance on that. Anyway, that wraps us up. I may not have all your answers. Hopefully I had some. That being said, I'll see you in the next one.
Then I'll pick you up at 8. You probably won't be awake. Call yourself an Uber, babe. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
Okay, let's take this guy that puts on aluminum siding and have him design our fuel filler neck.